Hey folks, it's Rich here again with the Rockburn. Look, I've oiled the fretboard. Bad lighting here, I know. It's supposed to be rosewood. I mean, it looks like rosewood. Can it be rosewood for £30? Don't know. Hello Mr. Guitarista. I've taken your tip. The nut, I've just restrung this with some Ernie Ball 10s, I used the old strings and flossed the nut slots a little bit, and I've used my Stanley knife just on the edges to take off a bit of the residue and the plastic there. The tuners are what you'd expect for quite, well, to be honest, at like Squire range, not £30 guitar range. They're quite smooth. This one's a little bit notchy, but yeah, other than that, I've given the frets a bit of a polish. I don't know what kind of material they are, very cheap nickel. They're still a bit scratchy, but they're better than they were. Look at the action. Now, I haven't done anything to the action. It was like that out of the box. Just a tiny bit of buzz, not a lot really. Obviously kept it hard-tailed. But I've got to tell you, I can't believe I'm saying this. I think I prefer the pickups to my Harley Benton ST-62. I do. Shocking, I know. I'm just going to have a few minute noodle. You can listen if you want to, don't if you don't. And I'm going to go through some different distortion pedals. Honestly, anyway, that's just on clean on the neck. Sauce on it as well. Now, this is just the distortion overdrive. I've got the amp set up. Vintage overdrive. This is the Golden Plexi from Town City. Thank you, Peter, for that. As well. Take both of those off and put on the Behringer Ultra Metal. And it's a little bit out of tune, but considering these strings have been on literally 10 minutes. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Honestly, that's just blown me away. It's blown me away. I don't know whether it's because the pickups are ceramic. This is very stiff. But they take the overdrive pedal really well. And obviously Carston made the point about how, you know, it can't be very nice to play. It's all right. You know, it's not the smoothest neck you've ever played on, but it's not awful. There are no sharp frets. It's obviously a satin back. And you can tell the volume difference straight away. I mean, depends what you... Sound is so subjective, isn't it? But that Rockburn. It's not that this sounds bad, of course it doesn't. But the Rockburn's just got a bit more mojo. Anyway, I'm just tinkering around really, but yeah, hello Mr. Rockburn. He's I mean, at some point I'm probably going to go back down the Chapman Superhighway because I'm a weirdo. But for now, I like that Rockburn, and I might even sell this Harley Benton. I mean, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong. But if I was just going to pick up a Strat and have a tinker for the sound, and obviously that, you know, Rockburn doesn't have the caramelised necks. It's not as nice, but it's just not awful to play. It's absolutely fine. So yeah, what do you think?